guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Lauren and I love to do makeup videos. If you want to see how I got this makeup look, just stay tuned, keep watching, like it if you like it, like give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you want to keep seeing more. Like that will let me know that you guys like what I'm giving you, and you know, just please give me some feedback on what you guys would like to see. I hope you guys get to recreate it. I'm so ready for fall. Like, can you tell? I'm so ready for it. I'm tired of the heat. I'm tired of feeling like getting hot flashes out of nowhere. Like, why? Like, the heat and the humidity, I'm over it. Like, I'm a summer baby. I was born July 4th in the summer, and I love the summer. But now with this pregnancy, I'm ready for fall to come, for winter to come. I'm ready for Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year. We're gonna see what the new year brings with this my little bundle of joys due in January. So January 3rd to be exact. And hopefully, God willing, everything goes good. You know, I'm ready for the fall. I'm ready for it. Like, give me sweaters. I just, you know, I want flus and all that. Stay away from me. Stay away. Any type of sicknesses and all that, stay away from me in the name of Jesus. Stay away. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Without further ado, enjoy the video.
Oh, life's calling, but it's all because I'm started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. Started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling.
Thank you for watching and subscribe. You know what to do. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below if you like my mom's makeup. Thank you for watching.
So that was the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I hope you guys loved it. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, the rest of your week, wherever you are. Enjoy your day or night. And God bless you guys as always. Bye.